What's going on, people? My name is Jack. Welcome back to another video here on my channel. We produce weekly content based around this, that, and this. That's correct. A little bit of a random intro. What's up? It's my birthday. I turned 22 today. Actually, I turned 22 tomorrow, but I'm recording this yesterday. So you guys will see it on my birthday. What's up? I'm fucking, I don't know, out in town getting some pancakes and celebrating being 22. And there's one thing I want from you. I want you to follow me on Instagram and wish me a happy birthday. Or if you're a hater, don't follow me and send some hate my way. But regardless, go over to my Instagram and at least send some sort of interaction my way. Because it's my 22nd birthday. Maybe I don't even make it to the 23rd. Obviously, I'm joking. I shouldn't even joke about something like that. I'm making it to 205. Anyways, what's the video topic today? I literally forgot. 3 ways to make money online making videos. Let me break a couple things down to you. I'm 22. I've been working for myself since I was 18 years old. So 4 years now. And basically, well, a long time before that. But that was when I registered my business. I technically became a sole trader when I was fucking 18. All right, so basically, I've been working for myself ever since. I've really only ever worked 3 days for anybody other than me. So I know how to make money making videos. It was literally the whole slogan of my channel for a long time. So I'm going to break down 3 ways for you to make money online making videos. And then I'm going to give you a 4th way as well. Just because why the hell not? It's my birthday tomorrow. And I'm trying to bless you guys up. So first off, all right, now, quickly bear with me real quick. I'm going to talk about freelancing, selling stock footage, making money on YouTube, and selling asset packs. These right here are 4 quite different revenue streams, but they're all revolve around making money, making videos on the internet. Without further ado, let's get into it. Number 1, obviously freelancing. This one right here is the most straightforward. You could make money today doing this type of thing. The other ones, they involve a little bit of building it up, right? But with freelancing, it is offering your services in exchange for money. So it's very much the same as, knocking on doors and asking if somebody needs a car wash. Like if they need it that day, they'll pay you for the service today, right? So it's very quick, it's nice, and it's frictionless. You don't have to really build a bunch of brand awareness or anything. Nothing like that, right? Which the other ones are a little bit revolving around that, right? But Upwork is the best place to go through to for good-sized projects, basically. I'm talking like hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, stuff like that. Upwork's the main spot. But in terms of other freelance websites, you could visit, for example, like a Fiverr and have like a gig going on where you only really do the same thing, but you do it a bunch of different times for a whole bunch of different people. I've seen that working good for people. Also, if you're really early in the game, you could go on Twitter and find clients. Just type in, I need a video editor, and literally just DM people, basically. And basically, I'm going to leave you guys some links down below on how you could get started with the freelancing income stream. And I mean, some of you guys could literally make money today with this income stream. It's by far the most straightforward on the list, the quickest ROI. If you make an account on a freelance website today, start applying to some jobs by tonight, even an hour or 30 minutes, depending on how quick they reply to you, you could have work today. By far the quickest to drum up. Awesome. Freelancing, I'll leave 2 or 3 videos telling you how to start freelancing and how I started it down below. So if you want to check those after this video, then by all means you're welcome to. Number 2, selling stock footage. This is a very interesting one where basically, if you're a videographer and you enjoy shooting B-roll, you should be building up a catalog of basically sellable stock footage. Now, you can tap in with so many different people on the internet, not people, companies, right? Companies and websites where basically you can list your stuff. And there's a website where I forget the exact name of it, but you just upload your stock footage to that website and it puts it on all the other sites. And it's like a dashboard. Don't worry, I'm obviously not going to stitch you up. I'll leave that down below in the description. So go to the description under the selling stock footage links. I will have the link to that website. Something with a B. I'm pretty sure. And basically, you could start building a catalog of B-roll. Maybe, you're shooting, a food promo video. You got some phenomenal 4K up close on the bananas. Maybe you're shooting a beer commercial. You got some real crispy shots of the beer with the water trickling down it, whatever. I don't know. I'm naming a couple random things. Maybe you went to the Amazon rainforest and you shot like a fucking special toad from the right angle and the sun was setting behind the toad, right? So if you have some dope stock footage and you're just basically smashing it in terms of the video side of stuff, literally, filming side of stuff, literally just go list all that on stock footage websites and you'll start making money selling your stock footage. Now that one right there isn't so today. If you list your stock footage, you'd probably be kind of lucky to sell it today, right? More realistically, what that is you spend, a few months, maybe the rest of the year, building up a catalog of, premium stock footage that you're selling. And then after you've built a big catalog, eventually you've got a bunch of people buying stuff every single day because you've got, maybe, tens, hundreds of pieces of sellable content out there that basically people are finding and then purchasing. So basically, after a couple months of building up a healthy catalog, you could be making some money. And I've definitely heard of a lot of people that are making thousands every single month, at least maybe like $2,000 a month, whatever, passive income stream hitting their bank account every single month because of this catalog of premium stock footage that they're selling on the internet. This video game is so fun because there's there's so many, access points to the money. There's so many pathways to the money, right? And that's what, that's my main passion, basically, is breaking it down to you guys. How can you make money making videos? And selling stock footage is a very cool way on the internet that a lot of people are making money right now selling their content, and you could be too. At the end of the day, this is something I have in my mind for the future. However, I'm not even going to sell it on somebody else's site. I'm starting my own site, Creator Dashboard. Check it out. We're going to turn that into a website within the next year or two, and we're going to change the game. Anyways, don't fucking listen to me. Just literally wait to see it happens. Anyways, number 3, make YouTube videos. Yes, obviously I have to put this on the list. And I felt cheating by putting this on the list. That's why I've got a 4th for you guys in a second, right? So this is meant to be the top 3 best ways to make money making videos online, but I'm going to give you 4 because I feel as though making YouTube videos is a cheat because obviously, yeah, that's probably like the best way to make money making videos on the internet because your time isn't necessarily fully connected to it. Once you've built a massive catalog of content, it's just making you money on the side, right? It's kind of like the selling stock footage. You got all these little soldiers out there working for you because people are finding the videos, watching, and converting. But obviously, I had to put this on the list. This is the one of the single best opportunities for video creators on the internet. However, it requires a specific type of person to be doing it. However, I firmly believe that if you're a video creator, there's probably a way that you can be making some type of content, right? And overall, this is definitely not a quick income stream, but it's definitely something that if you build it up, it can go on to, really do great and be a great addition to whatever else you got going on. And for me, the YouTube is leading the charge, and it's a wonderful. I've been committed to it for quite a while, so you have to enjoy it. That's for sure. You don't start making videos today on YouTube like you'd start freelancing, because freelancing, you start that shit, you're like, sweet, I'm starting it for the money. YouTube, you got to enjoy it. Eventually it gets to the money, but overall, there's no two ways that it is probably the best opportunity for video creators on the internet who are trying to make money passively, especially, right? And there's loads of different ways to make money on YouTube, like literally loads of different ways. I'll link my video from 2 days ago, right, which was top best ways to make money using YouTube or something. I don't know. See the thumbnail. It's in the description. I've got so many links for you guys down below. Number 4, sell assets on sites like Envato. Basically, this is similar to selling stock footage, and this will really hit home for my super talented editors. I'm talking my pixel experts in here, right? Basically, if you're capable of creating premium editing packs like you'd see for sale on Envato Elements or Motion Array or any of these spots, right? You can have a pretty lucrative business selling premium editing packs, creating editing packs and selling them on. And essentially, if you are able to create some premium stuff, get it out there on these sites, right? And basically do it enough that you've got enough of them out there that are constantly generating money, you could build up a nice income stream, definitely a side income stream, potentially a main, through just creating editing packs on the internet and putting in on the different marketplaces. This is very similar to selling stock footage, but it's a little bit different because those are two types of people. There's one person who's phenomenal at editing, one person who's phenomenal at filming. The phenomenal filmers, get your stock footage being sold, sell it. Phenomenal editors, get your editing packs being sold, get creative, make them. I run a thing called Creator Dashboard. I buy editing packs off people. So at the end of the day, there's even an income stream for me. If you guys make a sick editing pack, send it to me. For me to put it out there for free for my people on Creator Dashboard, well, you guys, I happily compensate you for that. And, it's like a deal that I got going on with my boy Pixel Expert. And, if you build an editing pack, send it to me as well as put it on Envato Elements and I'll hook you up. So this is legit. For very, very, it could be a very lucrative thing. If you, all of these could be super lucrative for the right person. My whole objective here is to lay out the game plan. Here's a whole bunch of different ways you can make money making videos. 2 of them. I'm making money from 2 of them. I know other people who are making money from, and there's more that I didn't even add on this list. If you want more videos like this, let me know. Happy birthday to me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. And hit me up on Instagram if you're a fan, a subscriber, a supporter, whatever you want to call yourself. Hit me up, say happy birthday, and I'll be responding to everybody saying thank you. And also, if you're a hater, hit me up and say have a shitty day. I hope that all those birthday wishes don't even fucking amount to this one hate message and attempt to put me down. Obviously impossible. Thank you guys for tuning in. Have a nice day. And I think I finally got the lighting looking semi-professional. I was going heavy with the blues for a minute, and then I looked at it and I said, you know what? It looks a little bit too gamery. And I switched it up and I did it like this. So overall, I think it's looking nice. Thank you guys for tuning in. Have a phenomenal day. I certainly will, even though I'm recording this a day before my birthday. So tomorrow, I'll have a phenomenal day. But every day is phenomenal because I'm alive. Peace.